Hello everyone, what's up? I hope you are having a great day. As you have read the title already, you know what this video is about. Today we are going to talk about how to use Canva. This is going to be very helpful for the beginners who might know the basics of the app but want to learn more about some tricks that can enhance the quality of their intended design. So there are many people who know about Canva but are not sure about how to use it to get the optimum results. I know there are a lot of videos on this topic already. I'm going to keep things up to the point and make sure I don't miss out any important features that can add some more quality and creativity to your designs. To make it more organized, I have divided this video in 3 parts. The first part is about using Canva and its features in general, just in case you don't know how to use it. The second part is about how you can use Canva for making image designs for almost anything. And the third part is about how you can use Canva to create video content. Since my channel focuses on books and blogs, I will make more demo designs based on them to explain to you every step clearly. We all know that the era in which we live is so tech enhanced that we can create an entire book or a website all by ourselves without having to pay anyone for any kind of help. You can write a book or a blog and then get it published online without investing a dime. So keeping that in mind, let's go ahead and get to the first part of today's video, how to use Canva in general for beginners. The first thing that you must do is simply sign up for Canva with your email address, or you can just sign in with Google. I prefer Google. You can see that Canva has so many dimensions that you can pick from. Most of the time, you know which one to pick. It can be an Instagram post, Facebook post, YouTube thumbnail, or literally anything. Canva has got most of them. But just in case you don't see your desired dimensions for the design you want to create, simply click on Custom Dimensions. Here, you can set the dimensions according to your own needs, and this is helpful when it comes to designing book covers. I will talk about it as well, but later. Now I'm just going to pick any one design, and this is the page where you can create a design. Now on this page, I want you guys to look at all the options that we have here. They are really helpful, and if you use them properly, you can create a stunning design for yourself for free. So the first section right here is the templates section, where you can find all your sample designs which can serve as a basis for your desired design, and you can pick any one of them if you want to. You can move to the next section and upload an image or a video from your device, or any of these sources if you want to use a specific image in your design. And then by clicking on that image, you can add it to your design. The next section here is the photos. Canva has millions of photos that you can use for your designs. You can search for anything specifically if you want to. You can use all of these different types of elements to enhance the beauty of your design, which makes it look more professional. So do not underestimate this section, guys. It's a stunner. The next section is the text. Here you can find a lot of fonts and various combinations of different kinds of fonts. This is where all your basic text stuff comes from. No matter what, if you have to write a few words or a sentence or even a paragraph, it all comes from here. The next section is called styles, and here you can find various color combinations, font combinations, and combinations of color shuffles and fonts. This can give you sort of a more organized look. It gives your design a very very organized look and a very professional touch. Play around a bit with it and you'll find the perfect combination for you, because everybody has a different taste. So the next section, guys, is the music. Here you can find a bunch of audio clips that can be added to your videos that you can make on Canva. I will give you an example of how to make a video here, so I'll tell you how to add the music as well, but I will be muting the audio because of the copyright issues. Talking about the videos, the next section is videos, where you can find video clips relating to a lot of topics. These are free for you to use, so you can use them for your Instagram post, for Facebook, for Pinterest, for anything. Remember, guys, some of these audios, images and videos might be free and some might not be. Likewise, some of these elements are free and some are not. Today we are talking about using Canva for free, so I'm going to use all the free stuff to show you how easily you can use Canva without getting Canva Pro. The next section is the background. Pretty simple. You can use any of these samples to add a background to your designs in case you want one. You can use them directly or even behind your image, text or video. Then guys, you also have charts. So there are charts here to add some detailing to your work. If you need to, you can create a real chart on Canva to show any kind of statistics that you want to. I think this is very amazing. It is a very good tool for everyone to use in school projects, college and office. The best part about this is that they have so many types of charts and not just one of them, so you always have a few options to pick from. Then you can see that there is also a section of folders. Yes, you can create 2 folders without getting Canva Pro to save your designs in a particular format. Apart from the folders, when you click down here on the more, you can see that here is a list of apps and websites that integrate and associate with Canva, and they work together. You can always find all the images that you find on Pexels and Pixabay on Canva. Okay, so the images that you see on Canva are mostly from all these, all the images and videos that you find here are all from these apps and websites. Moving on to the next part, let's try to create an image design using Canva. For this demo, I'm going to use the book cover dimensions. Now guys, earlier I said that the option for custom dimensions is very useful for creating book covers on Canva, because the dimensions this app has got for the book cover designs is mostly suitable for ebooks. So let's just say that we're creating an ebook cover for now. So Canva has got sample bases for your desired design based on genres. You can simply go to the specific genre you want to check out, or simply pick an image that you have uploaded from your device. Just a note, you can also zoom in and zoom out on your design to check details while you edit by clicking over here. The next step, either you can pick elements or text. I'm going ahead with the elements first, because I like to add text after setting up all the elements. For example, I picked this one. I can change its color if I want to by clicking here and choosing one of the default colors, or by creating a specific shade that might suit my design. Just so you guys know, these elements can be rotated as well. You can set them up anywhere according to the design's need. You can increase or decrease it in size as well to fit a particular area. And here is an option for you to set the transparency rate of the element. So you can keep the element as it is or make it a bit transparent according to the design's need. So the next thing we need is some text. You can pick any font combination which appeals to you, and here you have the choice to even remove one of these fonts if you don't need them. You can edit the color, and the size according to your wish. You can also go to the styles section and pick any of them if you want to. I'm creating a sample cover for my fiction book series so that I feel more inspired and dedicated while doing this. Guys, if you want to check out my book, the link will be in the description. You can get it on Amazon in paperback as well as in the ebook format. And moving on, one thing that you must remember is that if you don't want to pick any fonts from the style section, because sometimes it messes up the other text as well, you can simply pick it from the text section, or by clicking on this option right here, and it has all of them, just like a lot of images, videos and elements. Most of these fonts are available only on Canva Pro, but there's nothing to worry about because we have really good ones available for free as well. So make sure that you pick the right fonts, images and elements that suit your book's genre. We can't pick an image of a dog and expect it to become a good cover for a genre in which it won't make any sense. If you're writing a thriller, use elements that show the thrill on your book cover and make it look more intriguing. Check the templates because it can give a general idea if you don't have a starting point at all and don't know where to begin. So guys, I think this is it. There's nothing much to add here. The book cover is done, and you can keep adding more elements and shuffling through the fonts and colors to get what suits you the best. Next, once your design is done, you can click on this icon to see it on full screen mode as well. This gives you a final look at it, and if you want to edit anything else about it or not. After this, you can name the design whatever you want to and then click download. You have to be careful here because Canva gives you options for the format in which you want to download the design. I suggest that you download it in both PNG and JPEG formats. Sometimes some online publishing platforms accept only JPEG or only PNG format. Everyone, now that we are done with our demo image design, a book cover, let's move on to creating a demo video design for a blog. I don't know if you guys noticed it or not, but on one of my shots in this video, it was mentioned that I made this video on Canva. Apart from all the screen recordings, everything you see in this video was designed in Canva. The first thing is to select the video dimensions for the base. But that depends. Like if you want to create a video for your Instagram post, you have to select that particular dimension. Okay, but if you want to create a video specifically, pick the video dimensions. Okay, because here you get all the templates, so you have a lot of options to pick from. When you check the templates and click on one of them, it shows you the option of applying all the pages. So if you apply all of them, you get them here like this. And if you want, you can keep all of them together in one video or simply pick a single slide out of them. Because sometimes you want to pick different slides from different templates. To remove a page, just click on the bin icon. Now to add a slide from another template, First, click on the add page option, then select a slide from the templates, or you can just upload a video from an outside source as well. Now, just to explain you guys, I'm going to add a few clips, and all the video clips have a default timing duration, and you can edit the duration of each clip by selecting the specific clip and decreasing its duration as well. You can change the text using different kinds of fonts, and you can just write like 2 words or a sentence or even a paragraph, who cares. Then you can play with the colors, you can add images to enhance the look of it, and elements, definitely add some elements. It can be very creative. The video will be amazing if you do that. And also, if you want to remove a video and add another one, you could do it. To do that, all you have to do is delete the existing video, and then you can pick a video from either from your uploads folder or from the videos folder and add it to the current slide that you're working on. Okay, and after all this is done, you can also add music to your video. Okay, I told you guys that I was going to talk about the music part. So click on the music section and pick one of the tracks you find suitable for your video. You can select all of them one by one and hear them out. Whichever suits the video, you can just pick them. Okay, one of them. And after you are done editing the video and want to see the final product, simply click the play button. Okay, it gives you just a preview of what you've made. Guys, I had to remove the soundtrack because of the copyright issues. I hope you understand. But when you're going to try it out all by yourself, you'll hear the music, and that, so you have to try it out. Okay, if you haven't tried using Canva before, you should. And comment down below if you have and you want me to make videos on something really specific. So now that your design is ready, you can simply click on the download and get your final design. That is how you make a tiny video on Canva. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is just a preview of what Canva can give you. There are so many ways to make videos on Canva. I want to share all those ways. My first introduction video on YouTube was made on Canva, so you have to check it out. I will be making more videos on every single feature that Canva has, so you guys can get the best out of it. So please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up to support my channel, and share this video with someone who needs this. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you when my next video comes up. Until then, bye bye everyone.